Hey guys, so this is a quick video for the Traeger Ranger, the pros and cons and primarily the reasons why you shouldn't buy it, what kind of things you have to be aware of. So first thing first, it's a real wood fired flavor in portable package. The cast iron griddle is a game changer, massive 8-pound pellet hopper, so that's great. Digital arc control gives you precision, but it's a 60 pounds heavy, okay, and it's portable, but it got 60 pounds, so that's something to be aware of. That is like 27 kilos, and that's like not just like light, okay. It requires 120 power, no batteries. This is also very important, is that you need to place and plug it in, and that's important. No outlet, you don't cook. Okay, so limited cooking space is the 15x12 inches, so you have like 176 like cooking area, and there's not much, so that's another thing to be aware of. Also, temperature swings happen, and gears flare-ups can happen. No pellet level sensor, and you have 3-year warranty only for it. So these are the primary reasons what you have to be aware of. Now, just want to make this like a quick video for you, what you can actually like expect from it if you want to get it. But even as you can look here for the reviews, is that many people are like great for it and with it. So it's a good product. I mean, it can do the work. Just be aware of it, what you can actually like expect from it, you know? As you can see, like for the past 2 years, only positive reviews. It's a good product. You're not going to make a mistake if you would purchase it. Just like be aware of certain things there, okay? Primarily, for example, for the heaviness. So have a great day, guys, and goodbye.